Stock Santa here. One pair of AirPods, $179. One share of Apple stock, $189. Let's start buying our kids stocks instead of stuff. One Xbox, $349. One share of Microsoft stock, $378. The average American spends $1,200 a year on fast food. One share of McDonald's stock, $281. Plus, you get a pretty juicy dividend, $6.68. The average American spends $91.75 per month at Amazon. One share of Amazon stock, $146. 5 days in Disney, or at Disney, $6,000. Almost $7,000 if you think about it. One share of Disney stock is $92 per share. I'm a big believer in experiences over things. So maybe you don't skip the Disney trip, but also consider buying the stock. Now, what if you have a kid who's hard to buy things for? Get them everything. S&P 500 index fund. What if you have a kid who's a big nerd? Get them a ETF that is tech heavy. These are just examples, by the way. You don't have to run out and buy these. And what if your little kid is obsessed with Monopoly? Get them a real estate investment trust. All right, we're out. Stock Santa here. Don't buy your kids more presents. They don't need more shit that's gonna get buried in a closet or broken and in a landfill. What they do need is more investments. And yeah, when they're kids, they might hate you. Mom, why does everyone else get an Xbox and I don't? Shut up. Go to your room. That's what you get. Seriously, we've been conditioned to overbuy things for our kids. And I know personally of a lot of little kids who get toys, break them immediately, and they get thrown away. Why are we still doing this? Instead, buy your kids investments, something that will appreciate over the long term, and they will appreciate when they're 30 and 40. Yeah, they might hate you in the moment, but they're kids. They're gonna hate you anyways. No, I'm not in the mood to make one of those duet videos where I cut from the video from a year ago to the video from today, so we're just gonna do things the lazy way. But I wanna show you this video that I made 1 year ago to the day, and I like it when it sits like this. I think it looks cooler. And where the stock prices are now, just 1 year later. Think of all the money you pissed away on crap that could have been used to buy investments that have grown exponentially in a very short period of time. And by the way, most of the investments you're about to see are long-term investments. These aren't things that you buy and sell in a year. We're just getting started. Take a look. A year ago today, when I first made this video a year ago, since then, Apple is up 28%, Microsoft is up 17%, McDonald's is up 6%, their dividend has increased as well. Amazon, you ready for this one, up 55%. Disney up 26%. SPLG up 33%. VGT up 39%. And Realty Income up 3%. Oh, but the kids, they want presents. Shut up. Those investments will buy you an earlier retirement. You gotta sit your 4-year-old down and say, do you wanna work forever? No, you want investments, you wanna build wealth. Little Timmy, you wanna build wealth. You want a diverse portfolio, you want stocks and dividends. You don't want an Xbox, even though they really think they do. They don't. If you're gonna trust anyone when it comes to presents for kids, god damn it, it's gonna be Stock Santa. And Stock Santa is telling you, buy your kids investments. Buy them some stuff too. Fine, sure, yeah, they can have a toy or whatever. A toy. Do you know how many gifts I've seen my friends get their kids and the kids go, what the fuck is this? And they break it and they cry and then they've forgotten about it in 2 minutes. Buy them investments that will appreciate in value and will allow them to live the life they want to live, not the life that they have to live because work sucks, but they've got a mortgage and bills and debts and they have stupid little kids of their own. Lead by example. Be the different parent who says, here are a few toys, but the most of the stuff you're gonna get, you won't appreciate right now. I know you're 4 or 5 or 8 and you're gonna be upset about this, but I promise you, when you are 30, you are going to look back and think this was the greatest gift you've ever gotten. So stop being a little baby. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors always smash that follow.